Hi guys, I'm PG from No.4 Shooters. Today, for classic guns, we will talk about the British No.4 rifle in .303 caliber. During World War I, the British soldier was equipped with a short Magazine Lee Enfield, or SMLE rifle. A great gun, but expensive and time-consuming to make. During the 1920s, an improved design appeared. It would become known as No.4, while the old SMLE was renamed No.1. The No.4 rifle kept the best features of the SMLE, but with several simplifications. Among them, the characteristic nose cap of the SMLE disappeared. The stock was different, the barrel was heavier, and new aperture sights were added, featuring an improved sighting radius. Even the imposing sword bayonet was gone, replaced by a spike version nicknamed the Big Sticker. All in all, the No.4 was just as good as the No.1 rifle in use, and was chambered in the same .303 caliber. Yet the old SMLE was an aristocrat, while the new rifle was quite more utilitarian in look and feeling. In any case, it was a long road for the No.4, since it was officially adopted only in 1941, so that the No.1 still soldiered on for some years during the war. Many No.4 rifles were also produced outside Britain. This one, for example, is Canadian-made. Before testing our No.4, you may have noticed my attire. This is the serge battle dress uniform worn by British and Commonwealth soldiers in World War II. In this case, it's a pattern known to collectors as 1940 pattern, or more correctly, utility pattern. Insignia is for the British 78th Battle Axe Division and the Buffs, or Royal East Kent Regiment. Webbing is a 37 pattern with two basic pouches. The steel helmet is a Mark III, or turtle helmet, which was adopted in the later stages of the war, replacing the old Mark II tin hat.